In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for project management. Whether you're managing a full team or organizing your own workload, this walkthrough will help you understand how to set up a project and start using Asana effectively to keep everything on track. To begin, open your browser and go to the Asana website. Once you're there, click on the login option and access your account. After signing in, you'll land on your main dashboard, which is your starting point for everything you create and manage within the platform. From the homepage, look for the plus icon located near your list of projects. This is where you can begin creating something new. Click on it, and a menu will appear with several options. From that list, select the option to create a new project. This step opens the door to setting up a structured workspace where your tasks and collaboration will take place. Next, you'll be presented with different ways to start your project. For a smoother and faster setup, choose to use a template. Templates provide a ready-made structure that helps you get organized quickly without starting from scratch. Browse through the available options and select a template designed for project management, as it already includes a framework suited for organizing tasks and workflows. Once you've selected your template, confirm your choice by clicking the option to use it. This loads the template into your workspace and prepares it for final setup. You'll then be guided through a few configuration steps. During this process, you can begin shaping the project by reviewing its structure and preparing it for your needs. Continue through the setup by selecting the next option when prompted. This will take you to the final stage before your project is created. When everything is ready, click on Create Project to complete the process. At this point, your project is officially set up and ready to use. After creation, take some time to customize the project so it aligns with your workflow. You can adjust task details, reorganize sections, and refine the layout to better match how you or your team prefer to work. This flexibility allows you to turn a basic structure into a fully functional system tailored to your goals. With your project now in place, you're ready to start managing tasks, collaborating with others, and tracking progress more effectively using Asana. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.